In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Squarespace and support.squarespace.com. By the end, you'll know exactly how to move from Squarespace's main site to the official Help Center article that explains how to review your account invoices using only the built-in resources on their website. Start by opening your browser and heading to the Create Your Website page on squarespace.com. This is a common entry point for new and existing users, and it loads the main navigation you'll need. Give the page a second to finish loading so the header menus appear and are clickable. Next, look along the top navigation for the Resources menu. It's where Squarespace groups learning materials, guides, and support links. Click Resources to open the drop-down. If you don't see it right away, slowly move your cursor across the top menu. On some screens, the label can be tucked between other options. This section is designed to help you help yourself, so it's the perfect place to find official support. From that Resources menu, click Help Center. This will take you to support.squarespace.com, which is Squarespace's official knowledge base. The Help Center is regularly updated, contains step-by-step articles, and is the most reliable place to get answers that match the current version of the platform. If the Help Center opens in a new tab, that's fine. Keeping the original tab open can be handy if you want to return to the main site later. When the Help Center loads, locate the search bar at the top of the page. Click into the search field and type Reviewing your Squarespace account invoices. As you type, you may notice suggested results appearing beneath the search box. If you see that exact article title in the suggestions, you can select it right away. Otherwise, finish typing and press Enter to view the full results list. Clear, specific search terms like the exact article title help you get to the right answer faster. In the results, click Reviewing your Squarespace account invoices to open the article. This official guide explains what an invoice is on Squarespace, where to access your invoice history, and how the details are organized. Take a moment to look for the last updated date near the top, as that helps you confirm the guidance is current. You can also bookmark the article for quick reference later. If the page language isn't what you expect, look for a language selector on the site to switch to English. That's it. You started on Squarespace's Create Your Website page, opened Resources, went to the Help Center, searched for the exact article title, and then opened the guide on reviewing your account invoices.